Hi, if you've been looking for a way to make some money with your smartphone, then of course this is the right video for you. For some time now, I've been researching on the best app that I can use to generate some revenue online. I've been using so many apps, but then I think most of them do not really work well for people living in Africa. But I found this particular one that works best for people living in Africa, so I decided to make this video and share it with everyone. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. The platform we're going to use in this video is called Discount. Discount is a human insights platform. Ideally, what that means is they take information and opinions from people who are, using a particular product, and then they share it with the people who created that product, so they can make well-informed decisions about what to do next regarding that particular product. Let's say Amazon, they have a particular product that they want to know what people think about it. They can go through this company called Discount, and then Discount would put that as a mission on their platform, so people who meet those specifications will use that particular application, and then they will share their opinions through the platform to the companies that made them. So by doing that, they'll be able to understand what people really think about the product that they are building. This is really easy, right? And if you have any doubts, this platform has been used by major companies such as Lenovo, Google, Uber, Spotify, and so many other companies. So of course, there's some sort of trust here, okay? So now we're going to go to App Store and download the app. If you're using Android, you can find it as well. Just type Discount and hit search. That's it. So you just download that. Now that it's done downloading, you just click on open, and then you tap sign up. You just create your account, put your name. So you go through the application process. So now we are done creating our account. It's very simple, and then we are in here. So over here you see explore, down here you see missions, there's rewards, and then there's profile. Okay, now the first part that you need to pay more attention to when you finish creating your account is the profile part. Okay, so here you have to come here and then fill your information, add avatar, add gender, add employment, add job title, household composition, industry, and then here it says add PayPal email. Okay, so this is where you add your PayPal information, and this is where the revenue that you make on this platform is going to be paid to. So you have to input your PayPal information here. Okay, if you don't have a PayPal account to access this payment, you can check out my video on how to create a PayPal account in Ghana or Cameroon or anywhere that PayPal is currently not so accessible. Now, the other part is profile boosters. These profile boosters will help the platform know which particular mission they should match with you. So if you click on here, it says account. If you click on any of that, they'll ask you some questions, okay, like what kind of apps do you currently have downloaded on your smartphone. You go through them and you select them, okay. If you go to the next one, it says which of the following social media apps or services, if any, have you used in the last month and currently have installed on your phone. Select all that apply. It tells the application that, okay, this is what this person is, this is what this person is interested in, this is what this person uses. So whenever they are looking for people to test a particular product, they can say, okay, you are fit for this, so let's go with you, or let's go with that person. Now, when you come back on the explore page, you see applications, right? Now, this first one here says $25. So let's click on that. When you click on it, this is the mission. It says, where do you like to go out to eat? We are looking for 25 scouts to tell us more about their experiences. Selected scouts will participate in a diary mission in exchange for a $25 reward. Answer a few questions to see if you qualify. Now, before you move on with this particular mission, you would have to go through some questionnaire phase where you answer some few questions about yourself, and then it will tell the people that, okay, this person is a perfect fit for this particular mission, and then probably you submit a video as well, and then they will reach back at you, then you join the mission, and then afterwards you get paid, right? There's another one here that says shop to it. That one, the cash is more, it's like $200. Okay, if you click on that, It says, help us understand how you shop and pay for goods and services. Qualified scout will be invited to a 2-month multi-activity diary mission to show and tell about their purchases for a $200 reward. So a handful of scouts will be invited to a follow-up live one-on-one interview for an additional $75. So ideally, aside the $200 that they are paying you to, get the information that they are looking for, they will even select a few more people and give each person $75 to have a one-on-one interview. So I mean, look at this. This is great. Okay, now if you go down, there are more opportunities here. There's for sales professionals, there's for adventure aways, there's for people who travel and stuff like that. These are all very simple stuff that you can do to get some cash, but then you have to know a thing or two about it. It has to be that this is something that you're experiencing, so that it wouldn't be like you're just ticking boxes to get paid. Okay, so you can go through them. This one is about crypto, this one is about workplace. There are a few options here. If you live anywhere outside of Africa, you can get a lot of missions on this platform, because most of the time they are looking for people living in EU, living in America, the UK, and all of that to fill questionnaires. They want to make their research based on people living in those regions. So if you're someone that's currently living outside of Africa and then you're looking for some opportunities to make money with your smartphone at home, no stress and all of that, you can check out this particular application. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. If you've gotten any value at all, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment. Let's connect. I'll see you in another video. I'm out.